Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on section 275 which talks about the timeliness for completion of the penalty proceedings in case of assessee. As all we know, the period specified in section 275 is 6 months for passing a penalty order from the end of the month in which the notice to initiate the penalty proceedings is issued to the assessee. But there is no period specified in section 275 that in which time the notice can be issued to the assessee for initiating the penalty proceedings. So, in case when there is no time for initiating the penalty proceedings, can department take a very long time or unreasonable time to initiate the penalty proceedings? This was the issue in the present case. The name of the case is Clicks Capital Services Private Limited versus Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 470. The matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court in a writ petition filed by the assessee against a show cause notice for imposing the penalty, and this case has been decided on 16th February 2023. In the present case, the assessment year concerned is assessment 2007-8. Return was filed on 31st October 2017. This return was revised by the assessee on 31st March 2009. And the assessment was completed on 28th October 2011. There were some defaults by the assessee in depositing the TDS. So the assessing officer write a internal communication to the additional commissioner dated 9th September 2013 and 11th July 2014 to take the appropriate action for imposing the penalty on the assessee. But in spite of these two reminders, the additional commissioner issued show cause notice in 2017 by notice dated 9th November 2017, meaning thereby that this show cause notice was issued by the additional commissioner 4 years later when it got intimated from the assessing officer that there are penalty proceedings against the assessee which should be initiated. The assessee objected this show cause notice by letter dated 19th December 2017 and 22nd January 2018. After that, the additional commissioner fixed the date of hearing on 2nd February 2018. The assessee filed the writ petition against this show cause notice on the sole ground that the penalty proceedings cannot be initiated for an endless period, even if there is no period mentioned in section 275 for initiating the penalty proceedings. The court said that although there is no time limit for initiating the penalty proceedings in section 275, but if this period will be stressed too much, then it will cause grave injustice to the assessee and the proceedings will be delayed endlessly. The court also said that even if a leeway is given to the department, even in that case, the assessing officer has intimated to the additional commissioner in 2013 and 2014, but the show cause notice was issued in 2017. So, in that case also, the period of this 4 years from 2013 to 2017 is also not justified on the part of the department for issuing the show cause notice for issuing the penalty, for imposing the penalty. So, Delhi High Court quashed the notice under section 274 read with section 271 for imposing the penalty and for levying the penalty on the assessee for not complying the provisions of the TDS. So, it can be concluded from this case that when there is no period specified for taking any action against the assessee, then it cannot be assumed that the department can take the action after any period. What will be the reasonable period will depend upon facts and circumstances of the case. In the present case, the assessment relates to 7/8. The assessment was completed in 2011. The AO intimated to the additional commissioner about the penalty proceedings in 13-14, and even then the penalty show cause notice was issued in 2017, which was not justified according to the Delhi High Court. So the Delhi High Court quashed the show cause notice of penalty proceedings. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Clicks Capital Services Private Limited versus Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 470. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 16th February 2023. Thank you, friends.